Yeah, this is Caleb getting ready to ride on this nice dry day. And you can see from the gutter above me, the slobber that's coming over the gutter. Yeah, and you can hear in the background, Noble, who is coming right there. Yes, it's a very nice day to be riding. Very nice day. See this gutter slobber? Yeah. It's a wonderful day to ride. And there they go, in this wonderful slobbery day. And Dave is standing on the porch underneath the eave where it is dry. Notice his feet are dry? Yes, Notice the slobbery coming down off of the gutter. Yeah, It's a lovely day.
Undercover.
The smart ones are undercover. Yes, that's true. Yes. And as we walked out the front door, Noble said, "It's not raining anymore." And here comes round one. Yep, I hear them. They're coming. And truly the rain has slowed from when it was torrential, because it was pretty heavy rain. And there's one rider zooming down, headed back around. Can't see him, only audible. As we're waiting for the riders to come around, Dave is being sure that the Traeger's working well, standing up next to it to make sure that it's quite warm in this corner. Because
just checking the pellets.
Yes.
Just checking the pellets.
We're just checking the pellets to make sure it's warm. Now here comes the cook and inspectors. These two are this is what we do while they're riding, is being sure that this stuff is ready to be eaten. Now let's come over and have a look-see. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Woo, doggies, that looks good, good. Oh man. If only you and the camera could smell this, because oh, it's too bad you can't smell this. It's really smells good. Yeah. It's the opposite spectrum of two-stroke oil on a race bike. The anticipation on Melissa and Austin's face. Just, yeah, yum, yum, yum.
I just want to make sure we have enough inside for you guys.
Yeah.
Let's leave these guys go.
Oh, man, that
Let
smells
them
good.
go.
Okay, where did my... Getting a little shaky there on the video. So standing here on the porch, we can watch and hear the zoom zooms go round and round. And they should be coming through that break here in just a minute. Yeah, I can hear them right through that clearing. They should go zip zip. The rest of us fair weather riders, so-called by my son, who tells me, "Dad, you used to ride in the rain." He's out riding in the rain.